Hello and welcome to Learning from Her podcast, where we draw wisdom and strength from women in the Bible. And on today's episode, we are learning from a woman called Naomi. The account of Naomi can be found in the book of Ruth chapter 1, and then from verse 1, give us a background. Right, the Bible said there was a man named Elimelech who was Naomi's husband, and they had two sons, Mahlon and Chilion. So there was famine in Israel, in Bethlehem where they reside, and then they decided to leave Bethlehem and go to Moab in search of greener pastures so that they can survive within the period of that famine. So and then when they got to Moab, Mahlon and Chilion, they married Moabitess wives, and in the process of time, Naomi's husband died, then her both sons too died. So leaving just Naomi and the two widows of her sons. So that's just the background of the account. So we're gonna go straight right into it. The first notable point that we see from the life of this woman called Naomi is that she lived an exemplary godly life. If it's today, now that we are Christians, we would say she lived an exemplary Christian life. Come to think of it, what would have made her daughter-in-laws, after the death of their husband, they are bent on following her? They were willing to forfeit their families, forfeit everything, and just follow her. What do you think would have made them to come to that point of decision? I believe it was her character. She had an exceptional character. The Bible said, by their fruits we shall know them. It's not everybody that calls Lord, Lord, Lord that will enter the kingdom of God. Who are those that will enter the kingdom of God? Those that live out the fruits of the Spirit. She lived out the fruits of a virtuous woman. And these women, they saw this thing and they said, no, we are going to follow this woman. Because she is different. They were willing to forfeit their mother, forfeit siblings, and go on that long journey with her. So this is a strong lesson to us as Christians, as Christian women. Do men encounter us? Do people encounter us and see Jesus? What impression do we leave in the hearts of people as they encounter us? Do we just profess Christianity just with our mouths, and then our lives lives out characters totally opposite from that which is expected of people, of women who call themselves the children of God? Does our life portray the kingdom? Can someone just look at us and say, I just want to be a Christian because of you? I like your conduct, I like your mannerism, I like the way you carry yourself. Which church do you attend? Are you a Christian? Which church do you attend? I would like to come to your church. Are people drawn to Christ by your character, or they are drawn away by your character? So this is adjoining us that as Christian women, we should live lives worthy of emulation. Christianity is character. Christianity is living out the character of Jesus. That is just it. And then there's also a lesson for mother-in-laws, in fact for every woman. Because someday, if you are not a mother now, if you are not married, you get married someday, and by God's grace, you have sons, you have daughters, amen. And your sons will marry wives, and you have daughter-in-laws. Treat your daughter-in-laws fine. Treat them well. Treat them well. Don't be all these wicked mother-in-laws that we see on Nollywood. Don't be that. Let Naomi be a role model to us, that I have the ability to treat my daughter-in-laws beautifully well, just the way I would treat my biological daughters. Because of course they are your daughters. If we have that mindset that daughter-in-laws are my daughters as well, as far as they are joined together with my son and they have become one, that means they are also my own daughters. They are my children. And don't be among young lady we are praying at people, please let my mother-in-law die. Eh? You don't want to be a mother-in-law. You don't want to be a mother-in-law. Ha! Anything you give, you return back or give, and it will come back to you. Good measures, pressed down, shaking together, running over. The second point that we see from the life of Naomi is the Lord changed her story. The Lord turned things around for her. The Lord once again filled her mouth with joy and laughter. Naomi had lost everything. She had lost husband. She had lost children. There was nothing left for her. Even when she came back and the women of the city, of the town, came to welcome her, and they were like, oh, Naomi is back, Naomi is back. She said, no, don't call me Naomi. Call me Mara. Naomi means pleasant, sweetness. She said, don't call me Naomi, don't call me sweetness, don't call me pleasant. Call me Mara. Mara means bitterness, bitter. But the Lord has made my life bitter. There is nothing good that she saw in her life again. Everywhere was just gloom, sadness, tears, pains. That was just what characterized her life. But the Lord turned things around. He once again put a smile in her face, because that's her daughter-in-law Ruth who followed her back. The Lord himself orchestrated her marriage to a man called Boaz. And Boaz was a noble man, a honorable man. In their time, we can say that Boaz was a wealthy man. God did that. And through that marriage, the child Obed was born. And Obed is the father of Jesse, and Jesse is the father of David. So Obed was the grandfather of David, and through them Jesus came from that lineage. So you may just be like Naomi, maybe lost a child, lost a husband, lost a job, may have suffered one form of loss or the other. This is an encouragement to you that God is not done with you yet. That loss is not the end of your life. And you too, don't call it quits because of a loss. May even be loss of a marriage or loss of a relationship. Someone that was meant to marry you now said, he's not doing it again. I'm not marrying you again. And you want to kill yourself. That is not the end of it. There is a God who is a restorer. The book of John chapter 2, I think 25 or 28, he said, and I, the Lord, I will restore to you the years. Kai. Not just the days, I will restore to you the years that the cankerworm, the palmerworm, the caterpillars, and all of them have eaten. So all that represents these things, cankerworm, palmerworm, circumstances of life, wasted years that are gone, and you don't even know how to recover it. I bring you word from the Lord that by the mercies of God and by the hand of God, the Lord will bring restoration to your life, restoration to every situation. It may even be that you think there is no hope again, you think you've come to the end of it. God will restore you. God will put smiles once again on your life. God will bring life once again into you. He will restore those years. He will restore those situations. He will restore. God is a restorer. He has been restoring in the scriptures. And even till today, the Lord is still restoring. He is in the business of changing lives. He is still in the business of turning things around. We call him the impossibility specialist. It is not a nomenclature. It is who he is. We give him those names based on the things that we have seen him do, based on his abilities. He's an impossibility specialist. When things get tough, when things get somehow, that is where he wants to come in and show himself. He shows up. He shows off. Another lesson that we see from Another point that we draw from the life of Naomi is she guided Ruth. Ruth chapter 3 verse 1, and then the accompanying verses down. We see Naomi giving Ruth counsel step by step. Do this, do that. This man Boaz is one of your kinsmen redeemer. Get down to the threshing floor where they thresh their harvested crops. And he has eaten and is well drunk. You just go and lay down, uncover his feet and lay by his feet. And when he sees you, he will tell you what to do. And that was exactly what happened. Ruth abided by that instruction. And when Boaz woke up in the night and he saw a woman beside him, he was afraid, like, who is this woman lying at my feet? And then Ruth said, it is me, your servant Ruth. I am told that you're my kinsman redeemer. Please spread your skirts over me. That is, she's trying to say, come and marry me. Now that was the counsel that Naomi gave Ruth. He went to call the elders. Then that day, everything was sick, everything was perfected. That day. Because Boaz, he may not have voiced it, but he really was admiring her. He was admiring her diligence, her hard working, how virtuous she is. She didn't come to the town and start flirting around with men. No, kept herself, decent woman, virtuous woman. So he was admiring her. So when he see the opportunity, he grabbed it. Naomi guided this woman Ruth. And that is what the Bible said that they let the older women counsel, teach, and guide the younger ones. So this particular point goes to the older women, to our mommies. In some churches, we have deaconesses. Don't be there and things are going wrong. Don't be there. Don't sit still and watch young ladies. They are making mistakes. They want to go into the wrong things. Don't just sit here and say, I'll just be passive. It doesn't concern me. No, it concerns you. That is why you're a mother. That is why you're a mother. They may not be your biological children, including your biological children now. You guide your biological children and also extend that to other daughters and sisters around you in your locality, in the church. Even if it's nothing, pray for them. Pray for them. And let them understand that your counsel is coming from a good place. Because you love them and you want to see things go well for them. Just like Naomi said, will I not find rest for you, that it may go well with you? So that was the driving force of Naomi. And she gave her that counsel. And Ruth too, wise woman, she adhered. And everything worked in their favor. And with this, we have come to the end of today's episode. I want to believe that you've been blessed. I want to believe that you've learned something from this amazing woman called Naomi. Feel free to drop your opinions in the comment section, or there are more lessons that can be drawn out from the life of this woman. Please feel free to drop them in the comment section. I will be so glad to read from you, and see you next time. Remain blessed. Bye bye.